Hey guys! Welcome to our vlog. We're just taking a nice walk here.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh my god! What just happened? This is perfect! Oh my god! Oh my goodness! This lady just fell down. Oh my god! Oh yeah, sure! Oh my god! Instagram! Oh my gosh! Come on, let's take a selfie.
Okay, let's make a selfie.
Woo! Dead people! Oh my god! Hell yeah!
Oh, hi there. This is First Aid 101 for special people. Bet you recognized yourself in that last video. How did that happen? Didn't you have any time to educate yourself about first aid with the help of your best buddy, internet? But I think you'd rather check your Insta feed, wouldn't you? However, Google says that you are supposed to at least not to panic and for sure not to film. It's not your best friend throwing up after a big party.
Oh my god!
Oh my god!
Guys, call an ambulance. Something's wrong.
Yeah.
Oh my.
Hi, mom. Mom, can you hear me? Do you know what just happened?
I don't have my signal.
Just
Sorry, guys.
Playing dead or whatever.
Oh wow, I need to break it to you. Emergency calls are available everywhere, at any time, even if you don't have signal. However, if you do have signal, your mom is not the right person to call. You should call emergency, be very calm, and answer every their question, no matter how stupid they may seem.
What, mom? What? I don't know. I don't know what to do. Like, she's laying down there. I should do what? I don't know. I don't know.
What are you doing?
I'm not gonna do it. I don't.
I don't think she's
What
breathing.
should I do?
Oh my!
Wake up! Wake up!
Hold on.
What to do? No, I'm not.
The heart's not
I don't
beating
know.
as well.
I don't know.
Oh well. Oh well.
Oh well, and that is how, kids, you check if the turkey for your family dinner is ready. Yep, I would say your education is as responsive as this poor girl, who obviously needs to be checked all over her body for any other injuries. Maybe she fainted, or she's drunk, perhaps it's a heart attack. Read about it. Read for the first time in your life.
So I think that ambulance should be here soon. So I don't know what we should do. Like
Maybe.
we should just
Secure her.
yeah. Okay. Let's do
Okay,
this.
so nobody hurts her.
Yes.
Are you making a ritual or something? Is it to cure your special problems? But oh sillies, that wouldn't help in this situation. Securing the place doesn't mean to hold hands around the victim like you're in a preschool. It means to secure the place around the victim and wait for the ambulance to come. Of course, if you manage to call it.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Hey, what's wrong with you? Come on, shit happens. Don't worry about it.
Don't be such a wimp. Get over it.
Get over it. It's something to say to a pal when he drops his food for more than 5 seconds. Emotional damage is not your dad's jokes. You can't just laugh it off. Mental help is as important as physical help. Talk to somebody, cry your emotions out, seek help. Let's not pretend you don't have any emotional damage whatsoever. If you made it to this part of the video, good job! You have one more cell in your brain. You can also gain brain cells by going to international projects on various topics, including first aid. This decision can actually help you save your aunt from choking on that last sausage from your family dinner. But see you later, alligator, and I hope you'll have someone educated around you when you're about to die.